Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm super excited to be introducing you to my newest digital series that is available in my Etsy shop and also in my Ko-fi shop. It is called Pondside Curiosities. It's all things frogs, botanical, nature. There's a few little bugs in there and dragonflies and mushrooms, and yeah, super, super cool. I really like how it turned out. I've been wanting to make a frog digital for a while, and clearly I was having fun because I have 4 ginormous kits here as usual. So we have kit 1, the journal pages, and kit 2, the pattern pages. Kit 3, ephemera, like pockets, tickets, T-cards, postcards, and more. And then kit 4, ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, words, and more. So a ginormous series and super duper fun. The links to all of the kits can be found in the description box below for Etsy and Ko-fi. And then the flip throughs as I do them will be down below in the description box as well, so you can have a look at all of them. Kit 4 is 30 printable pages. It is ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, words, and more. So kit 3 is full of, it's the largest one. This one's 30 pages, and I think kit 3 is 49 pages, and they all have ephemera. Yeah, this one is mostly fussy cuts, labels, words, and more. I've got it printed here on card. So here we have the fussy cuts, and all of the fussy cuts have a nice beige background, so they're and a nice line for either your machine to cut out if you use one, or just even it makes it easier to fussy cut. And then where you can't get into any deep crevices or what have you, it's not stark white, so I really like that. Tons of frogs. He's one of my favorites. I like these little guys too. So much fun. In all the colors. And I gave you this super duper cool rock, and you can put a frog on it if you wanted, which is kind of neat. And a couple of different turtles. More frogs and some butterflies in all the colors, green, yellow, blue, and neutral. A couple of storks and some mushrooms. Bunch of dragonflies, snails, botanicals. This is a lily pad, and I've got it, I designed it in such a way that it kind of looks like it's flat when you cut it out, and so you could put it on a journaling card or a tag or whatever and put a frog on top of it, which would be super fun. And I love these snails. Botanicals, some flowers in all the colors, and as you can see there, I offer them to you in a large, medium, and small size, so print once and you got everything you need, which is great. I hate having to go back to the printer all the time. Okay, so that was all the fussy cuts. Now we're into the labels here. So much fun, grungy, and lots of texture and layering. And then here they are in the smaller sizes. Love these labels. Those ones are super cool. And then, oops, this was the large size. Or did I print this twice? Oh, I printed it twice. This is the large size, and then this here is the smaller sizes. And here's some labels, and all of the backgrounds of these labels are all from the journaling and pattern pages. And then here they are in the smaller sizes. And then the same labels, but with your vintage and antique script in them. And then here they are in the smaller sizes. Oops. Some more super fun labels. Love the shape of these. Yeah, in all the colors and all the sizes. All these, almost every one of these, I mean, they could because they're not seasonal like spring or winter, so you could use these for all kinds of projects. And there's lots here that don't have frogs and stuff, so lots of fun to have. And then we have some rounds here, and they are 2" is the large size. Here we have some super cool buttons in all the colors. And then here it is in the smaller sizes. And then, let's see. Yeah, here's the largest size. I should have showed you that first. So super cool wax seals all here. And then these are like a metal button. Same with these. And then some grungy buttons there. And then here they are in the next size down. So we have, and then here as well. So that's 2" rounds. These I think are 1.5. These are 1. I made them all like sizes that you could punch out with your circle punch. These are 1.5, and then the small ones are 1". These are all 1". Yeah. So lots of fun. And then we have some words in all the colors. So we have blue and green and yellow and neutral. So that is kit 4 of the Pondside Curiosities digital series. All the links for Ko-fi, Etsy are down below, as well as the links to the flip throughs of the whole series. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.